Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for another hair tip video. So today's video is going to be about how do you grow long, thick and healthy hair. If you do want to grow healthy and long hair, is no longer a secret. Just 2 ingredients, you can do this at home, very simple, and apply it to your hair and you will start seeing results fast. Stay tuned for this solution. Today's remedy is actually the simplest, the easiest remedy you can make at home for your hair. We are starting with some rosemary leaves and some cloves. So you can grab this at your local grocery store. I grabbed this at my local Asian market. And you will need to just get a handful of clove. You don't have to measure it, but if you have to measure it, probably like a half cup, depending on the amount of solution you're making. That might vary on the amount of clove that you use. So I'm using this little container to make mine, so you can kind of see here how I measure my clove. I just kind of eyeball it and see how much I need, and you can kind of tell over here how much of the clove I put in here. It's about like a half handful. And then after this, you just add some rosemary leaf, and you guys know how much rosemary can help in hair growth, how beneficial rosemary is for hair growth, and is no longer a secret how much clove is a very key ingredient when you're trying to grow healthy, thick and long hair. So we are going to mix, put all these two together. I'll put about 3 leaves of, leaves like you see over there, 3 sticks of rosemary. And the only thing you need to do is just add water to the level to fill it up to a level where it's all completely in. And I'm adding more water just to fill it up to the level of rosemary. And I will be covering this up with aluminum foil, but you don't have to. You can leave it out like that. And that is basically it. You just let this sit somewhere nicely where it's secure, that is not going to be knocked over, and just leave it there for 24 hours. I leave mine for 24 hours. Sometime I will leave it for 48 hours. This particular time, I left it in there for 48 hours because I want everything to be out of those ingredients, okay? So that is basically it. So we're going to go ahead and sit it and let it sit, and we come back. So this is 48 hours later. As you can see, my water has changed. Everything has steamed up in there. It has completely infused with this water. I have this rosemary infused, this clove infused, and I'm just going to drain the water out of that bottle. And that is basically it. I've never seen anything so simple that you can make that will actually work and give you fast result. So just drain it out, and once I drain that water out, and you can see how much that water has changed in color. If you drain the rosemary separate and you drain the clove separate, you will see that rosemary water will turn green. And I did that before because I want to make sure when I soak that rosemary that it comes out. So the only thing that you need to do now is just find you a spray bottle, a clean spray bottle, and just go ahead and pour that solution inside your spray bottle. And that is it. You just start using it from there. You can start spraying it on your hair Spray this on your natural hair, your braids, your cornrows, just to have that moisturizing feeling every day, okay? And you will start seeing results as soon as 2 weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here today. I would also appreciate it if you can hit on that subscribe button and join the family. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, and share with your friends and family. And I will see you guys on my next video. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.